Fire! Fire! Go! Fire! Go! Just hold the ground, boys! Down! Come to the side! Fire! Front line! Load!
Fire! Aim! Fire! Coming over.
Company!
Take that, Johnny!
Dress right! Dress right!
Fire! Fire!
Oh no!
Fire!
Oh no!
Go! Come to the coast!
Hold! Hold!
Under the shoulder.
Hard in!
Under the shoulder.
Company! Front line! Fire! Stand out! Come to the shoulder!
One to one!
Fire!
Kit of a Civil War soldier. We have our musket, our belts with cartridges and bayonets, our pantry of food, and our suitcase full of spare clothes and blankets.
Hey pards, here's kind of a luxury. We got some Gaiety's medicated paper, kind of the first production of toilet tissue.
Field, infield, 42, like literally they had everything.
Nice things about the infields is that they seem to stand against the fouling a little bit better. Easier to clean, fewer misfires.
Stew, so it's pretty much whatever kind of meat you got. And onions, potatoes, butter beans, and tomatoes.
Got a fresh chicken sitting on the tin roaster. A couple hours with this heat. We'll check to see how it's coming along.
That's it, run!
Go, 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 go!
Catch it, catch it!
Yeah, too easy.
That's it, run, 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 run!
Oh! And that just sent everyone home.
This is a Lowe's Type 2 Civil War era printing press used by the armies to do field orders and other miscellaneous prints that they couldn't get readily made.
Amazing.
My type, it was lead based, A to Z capitals on this side. Composing stick, and that's where you start laying your type in. It's out upside down and backwards.
Hey pard, you're sleeping outside too. What do you got to keep warm?
2 blankets, a great coat, and a gun blanket.
Good luck.
That shall go to jail, don't carry your winning glory. Instead of spar, we'll drink down there.